Fielded by the man out long on. They've turned that into two, that's good running.
Oh, it's a monster.
Given that a whack. 6 runs.
That is massive.
It's edged and out. Great reflexes. He made it look so easy.
The bowling side are now allowed more players outside the ring as the fielding restrictions have been lifted. The bowler won't like that. This is exciting stuff.
He's worked that into the gap. A hopeful shout. The batsman was easily in. That's 2 more runs on the board. He looks as if he might be hurt. Played all around.
That went straight through the gate. So Ricky Ponting's out in the middle now and is taking guard.
It's in the air. Fantastic work from Boucher.
Very safely done. He's got soft hands, his eyes were level, crucially held onto as well. Miles, he's hit it miles!
That came right off the middle of the bat. That's out of the ground.
Exciting, exciting player. There's risk in that stroke, but it is maximum.
The sweeper picks up. He's not a good judge of a run, is he?
The straight drive is his favourite stroke. We know that, they should know that, and it shows.
Got him, yes, he's out. That was a big deflection, no doubt about it. Is switching to round the wicket. There it goes. That is one of the better catches you are ever likely to see. Super catch. That was well held. It was in the air a long time. Lee to face the hat-trick ball. Fielder's appeal, but he was quite comfortably home. Fielded by the man out long on. They've turned that into 2, that's good running. Foolish running, that's simply throwing wickets away.
Oh, that's just a waste. What a terrible waste of a wicket. Desperately bad communication by the batsman. Michael Clark is at the wicket. Oh, there's a demoralising sight for any bowler. The ball is just sailing over the fence.
Edged and safe. Super shot. Straight in. No problem with that. I wouldn't expect to miss those. Dropped It's edged and out. It's not at all easy to pick the ball out against the crowd, but he saw that early and had no problem. Gets straight to a fielder. Looked as if he was home to me.
Well, he just got everything wrong and played all around a pretty straight ball. Welcome back to the second half of this riveting encounter along. And they've clinched victory here in this limited overs match.